me.
That's why me I tell her no come, Papa dead. Your father dead. Your father dead. They kill your father.
Oh, they kill him.
They thump him in the mouth and he teenager mouth and he dead.
I thought when that happened.
Last night. They kill him. My father name again.
Masbot.
Masbot he dead.
They all none of them not tell me that Papa dead.
That's why me I tell her no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm with my grandma. Come over here. Come up somewhere. Come up somewhere. Come beside me. Nice girl. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, so this is my grandmother.
How are you?
They're fine. You're fine, guys? I know you guys are fine. So today, I'm going to try and prank her. I don't know how it will go. So, me and her, there, I make a prank her. Right, Dali? Yes. So, guys, Dali, you know about YouTube? You don't know about YouTube? Never heard of it?
No.
So, many years that you make YouTube. So, Grandma, you don't know, say a whole heap of people now they on YouTube and make money. You never know? A whole heap of people they on YouTube and make money, you see? And they not give you none. And you make YouTube.
So where the people then there?
Then yeah, all them need is a phone and internet and make make video, put on YouTube, and then go viral and get whole heap of money and they not give you none.
They
never give you none?
No.
Are you hear about YouTube?
Yes.
Are you make it? Are you make YouTube? Now you make YouTube.
Make it widow.
Eh?
Widow.
Yeah, your friend them make YouTube. It's a platform where people are free to make video and put there. When they put their videos out there, then they generate money from YouTube. And you tell me say, Humble and Calm I make money, she no give you none. Jamaican things I make money, she no give you none. The gardens them I make money, them no give you none. What you could do about it?
For them to go.
That you do? But them a plan say, you know what them a plan say, I'll saying crazy. Them a plan say, see? Them a come in your yard and them a kill you. See them there. Jamaican things, Humble and Calm TV, The Gardens, saying crazy, and Mike MVP. See them there a plan to kill you. Look in their phone and talk to them. See them there.
Me I will get.
Yeah.
Oh, that told me I will get police to show them who we meet.
Who's one of them? The Jamaican things you talk? Yes. She make it. And she say, Mama Dolly can't do me nothing. Me not give Mama Dolly none of the money. So she say, every money we have in your bank book, she have to take you out and she have to thump in your face.
That's how which one of them?
Humble and Calm.
Who show me the one with
the one we're over here, so see her there.
With the money business.
Yes, she see her there, look over your son.
You're going to get
Okay.
You.
Sit down and talk to her. Come over here, son. I run for her because she can't do nothing. Tell her.
You remember what you do me?
Mm.
You remember what you do me?
Shade crazy name.
And you me left to God.
Yes, calling him in your Shane Crazy. It's Shane Crazy.
Your name Shane Crazy.
Yes.
Shane Crazy.
Yes. And to your name Shane Crazy. He thinks him crazy than you.
Mm.
But tell him to your father. Your father did that wagon. Your father did that wagon. Police. Your father did that wagon.
Police.
And what you do?
You still have police.
And you learn your what? You learn your law.
Yes.
Oh. But then tell me, so your father dead still, you know?
When?
Look how like your father did.
Then how me not hear? Me not hear nothing like that.
But he dead and you went to the funeral. Your father dead, man. You know who killed your father?
No.
If me tell you, you have to tell me, me tell you.
Me will keep it to myself.
Keep it to yourself. Let me come up close and me tell you who killed your father. Come up close. You can't make nobody hear. So you know what say? A Mike kill your father. See when that's all look on your Mike. And
So
him a
what?
laugh. Ask him, see me, that's all laugh after you.
So what?
Ask him, see him there. Mike, name. Mike.
This one we turn up.
This one we turn up. In your Mike.
I see near Mike.
Yes, ask her. Ask him when kill your father for.
What you kill me father for? What you kill me father for?
Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir.
What you kill me father for?
Ask her. See her there, look for you.
Then I went my he kill father. He kill me daddy.
Ask him. I when I kill her daddy. I will use and kill her. Kill him.
And when you kill me father, when you kill him, when you use and kill him.
What she in there do? What she in her phone do? What she do?
Me don't know.
Cause she point her finger upon you. Look.
Point him finger upon me.
That she do. Come back so.
You going to see what happened to you.
Mm-hmm.
You going to see what happened to you.
Mm-hmm.
Because you killed me, Papa.
Mm-hmm. You got a police station now?
Me I got a police station too.
One will tell the police then. Who kill your father again? How kill him? How kill your father?
The father dead.
Eh?
The father did dead.
Brother, you mean dead? You serious?
You're saying dead?
No, I'm not here saying dead.
So where did that cost for?
Who?
You.
When me not first.
So why did I talk so loud? Like who did I cuss in your phone a while ago? Like who did I cuss?
I'm telling you not first nobody.
Okay, me think I did I cuss somebody. Where your father
You
there?
ever hear somebody like say somebody, you hear somebody,
I do. Yeah, somebody a cuss. Yeah, me the hear and the lady there when I phone a cuss. And you cuss her and tell her say she kill your father.
No remember that definitely.
See her there laugh after you. And she kill her father. See her there.
So what you say? So she killed my daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Which part? Which part of find there when he dead?
Up a Moko. You know where Moko Monterey?
Yes, where they may come from.
Oh, then he there when she kill him.
They don't hunt none of me picking the way up, they don't come tell me.
Papa dead.
Oh, none of them no come tell me.
That's why me I tell her no come, Papa dead. Your father dead. Your father dead. They kill your father.
Oh, they kill him.
They stump him in the mouth and he teenager mouth and he dead.
That's how when that happened.
Last night. They kill him. My father name again.
Masbot.
Masboti dead.
They don't none of them no come tell me say Papa dead.
That's why me I tell her now say Papa dead. They kill Papa. Papa dead. Papa dead. They kill her father. Masboti Dawkins dead. Mike kill him. Mike kill her father.
Who?
Mike.
Oh, name Mike again.
See him there. Mike went up on YouTube. Kill her father. Masbati Dawkins dead. Your father dead. Mike kill you. Dali, your father dead. Masbati Dawkins dead.
Me not stay down here again. You see like tonight,
Yes.
you find a way go up a Moko.
Yes.
Anyway, stay there, live.
Oh,
Yeah, carry me with you.
if you want to go with me, I carry you with me.
Look at her. Come to go and lick me. Yeah, look.
Where who lick you?
Mike, he kill her father and lick me here, so look. And he say,
Thank you, my father.
yes. And he lick me. And he say, I'm going to kill you tonight.
Who say I'm going to kill me tonight?
Him there. Mike. Say, I look for you?
I see.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. She about dead.
Yes, tell me.
She going dead.
Me not talk. Who go kill her? Who go kill her? Go and tell me.
You go get somebody to you.
Hmm?
You go let somebody come to you.
She do what?
You kill her.
You need a trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Oh. So, come here. Let me kill the girl here. Come over here.
Jesus, my God.
When I get to somebody to me and kill her, how them I go kill her? Tell me.
No make her tell them what to do.
Yeah, so what you go tell them, say? Tell me.
Me I go ask them if they hear say my father dead.
And then what you go do next? When you ask them that, what you go do
That
next?
when me ask them if my father dead and they say yes and they know who killed him, then me I go do something.
But me want to know what you go do so I can prepare myself for now. What you go do? What you go do?
So what me I go do?
Mm-hmm.
Me I go get my grandson to kill him.
The grandson a bad man?
Yes.
Eh? I lie.
So my son with Damoko.
Him a bad man? Don't tell nobody here. Don't tell nobody. You sure?
Me not tell nobody.
So what if the police find out say you kill him? What you go tell the police say?
Me not go tell the police nothing.
You not tell him nothing? Alright then. So until then, we are plan.
Yes.
What we are going to use again and kill him, man? What we are going to use? Him man will kill your father.
Yes. Me I go make him dead.
Oh. So why you not fling one stone and lick him? Why would you not make a fling one stone and lick him?
I'll lick him which part?
Lick him in the head. If you lick him in the head, he can drop and dead.
He might come here when he might come here.
No, probably I will have to go look for him.
Jesus.
So you say. What I could do?
Yeah, I'll kill him, man.
Alright, then until then. Guys, I heard that for yourself. My grandma, she's coming for Mike MVP. So Mike MVP, watch your back. Grandma come for you. Mike?
I'm coming for you.
Mike.
Mike, I'm coming for you.
Beware.
I'm coming for you because they kill me, Papa.
We're out.